Here is my baked zucchini with eggplant and pepperoni with onions also. And this one is only zucchini and pepperoni, but this one has onion. So because we have a lot of zucchini, vegetables, and eggplants, what I did, I make my own recipe of casserole. So here you go. It's so yummy, guys. So the pachamba, chinamba ko lang to, guys. So the ingredients are eggplant, onions, white onions, and I add a flavor on it. Here you go, the pepperoni, spicy pepperoni on top. So it's like a design after it's cooked. So again, zucchini, eggplant, onions, and the sauce that I make, I blender the 3 eggs with oregano, with turmeric. That's why it's become color yellow, because turmeric is anti-inflammatory. And Parmesan cheese. And because we don't have butter, I add olive oil. It's like 1/4 cup of olive oil. And 1/2 cup of milk. That's what I did because I blender it. It needs to have a liquid on it. So that's why it's so yummy. And the aroma of oregano, because I add oregano on it, that's why it smells so good and it tastes so good, guys. So yummy. So this is my style of my casserole, pachamba. It tastes so good. So casserole with pepperoni a la Merlinda. And I bake this for 30 minutes. So the bake is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, guys. So it's very easy to make it. You just chop your zucchini, eggplant, onions, and then you add the sauce. So it's really creamy, guys. Look at that. It's very creamy. So because we don't have a butter, I use only the olive oil, and it still have some liquid on it. And you know, the zucchini when you cook, even on bake, I didn't put a lid, so you can see it's like a little bit burned, that top of pepperoni. It's a spicy pepperoni, but it's not burned, guys. It's just roasted, the pepperoni, which tastes so good. It's become crunchy as well, the pepperoni. So it's really, really delicious. And it's good looking. Yeah, it's so yummy. I can eat a lot of this.